This time check is brought to you by Holcim. Basta konstruksyon, may solusyon.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Hello, beautiful people! Ako po ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. Matanong po ninyo, bakit panatag ang loob ko sa MX3? Dahil ito ay tested and proven na may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. Mga natural na nutrients mula sa mangosteen. Meron din itong Seal of Quality Excellence at manufactured sa GMP at ISO certified na planta. MX3 is my choice. Tunay, natural at original.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Mag MX3 araw-araw para MX-Extraordinary.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy-easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Kapag nagkakaedad na, mas importante ang proper lifestyle.
Jogging tayo pa!
Sige nak! Maliwanag ang benepisyo ng tamang pagkain at ehersisyo, kasama pa ang pag-inom ng Optin. May nutrients ng lutein, vitamin C, E at zinc. Parte na ng aking daily regimen.
Ganda talaga ng view dito pa.
Kitang-kita. Mahalagang paalala, ang Optin ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Labanan ang maagang panlalabo ng paningin sa tulong ng Optin. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan. Mabibili sa mga leading drugstores nationwide.
DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.